Hello students, Mr. Yun here, and today we're getting into Chapter 5. It's Chapter 5 Introduction Day. So you have this video telling you about the chapter, and then you're going to move on and do the vocab quiz. You'll look at your vocab, do the vocab quiz, and then tomorrow we'll get into Lesson 1. So a little bit about the chapter. We're in Chapter 5. It's called The Spirit of Independence, and it's kind of what I would call, it's like a prelude to the American Revolution. That's this chapter. Everything that led directly up to the American Revolution. There's 4 lessons. So we'll go lesson, intro day, then a day for 1, a day for 2, a day for 3, a day for 4. And then we'll move on to study day and then test day. Lesson 1, no taxation without representation. Basically, that lesson is a big old list of all the things the British did to infuriate the colonists. Lesson 2 is called Uniting the Colonists. It's a lot of things that happened that really made the situation worse. Things like the Boston Massacre, the Intolerable Acts, the Boston Tea Party. These are all things we'll learn there. In Lesson 3, we learn a little bit about Continental Congress and, hey, the first battle, what a lot of people think of as the first battle of the Revolution at Lexington and Concord. And then in Lesson 4, I'm going to find it. It's called Declaring Independence because, wow, that's the lesson we learn about, well, the Declaration of Independence. A little bit more on that, the Second Continental Congress. And some of the ideas that were used to write that Declaration of Independence. It wasn't a totally original thought. They drew ideas from some philosophers of the day. We'll learn a little bit about that. And that's where we're at pretty much. Really, kind of the revolution sort of begins in this chapter, and then next chapter is all those battles in Washington Crossing the Delaware and that kind of thing. But there are some battles we're going to learn about here. Small scale battles like Lexington and Concord, the Boston Massacre, you could consider that a battle. And then, yeah, it's on. It's on. It's a very exciting chapter, very action packed, a lot of moral dilemmas and things like that. And I think you'll enjoy it. I enjoy teaching it, and I hope you enjoy learning it. So go ahead and move on to the vocab on the next page, knock out that quiz, and tomorrow we're in it. Have a good one.